Hey guys, King Godzilla 16 here. I've got a little review here and unboxing of a FiguArts Mini Power from Chainsawman. One I got at GameStop after watching Alien Romulus. Uh, Here it is in its little box. It's supposed to be like a alternative, I guess, to the SH FiguArts line. I guess this is the affordable version, the mini version for people, I guess, that don't want to fork out 50, 60 bucks or so for the SH FiguArts. And I have not opened it yet, but I'm getting ready to. I never throw away my boxes for these kind of figures because I like to repackage mine and store them. And here's a trend that TamashiNations or Bandai, whatever you want to call them, have been doing. They've been putting the instructions on the inside of the boxes, and usually it'll be on the little flaps as soon as you open the box. And this is my first FiguArts Mini. I've never purchased one before except for this one. I think they're supposed to be articulated, but how articulated remains to be seen. I've got the SH FiguArts Power, so I had to get the Mini because I was curious. And I mean, you can't deny that Power is cute. It'll look cool and cute on your shelf. I'm gonna have to get the knife to cut the plastic or the tape. Apparently all these come with a that's cool. The little stand. So as far as accessories or anything, she has two pairs of arms or one pair of arms that, well, that's another use for that. I guess this is to make her pose meowy, or meowy, her cat. Well, let's get her out and see what FiguArts Mini is all about. Okay, you can move her head side to side. You can rotate it. I don't know, but the way like her head is made reminds me of a Nendroid or Nendo Droid. How the faceplates and hair can be swapped on them. Got that good smell. Let's see if her arms can move. Rotate that up. They do. What do you know? I don't know if that's a paint smudge right there at her tie. Kind of looks like it is. It ain't no deal breaker. Because I paid, with my pro discount, I paid $28.49 for it. And most places online, I haven't seen them have power in stock from this line. She should have, there it is. What I was looking for, a little peg hole. I guess you pop this in somehow. I know the Figma things here are a pain sometimes to get. Well, screw it. I don't really feel like fooling with it. Well, you can move her leg up like that. About that far. It goes out probably that far. You can't get much posability out of her as far as her legs are concerned. You can get a decent amount of motion from her head. That's about the only thing that moves a lot on her. This has got to be like the Nendroid or Nendo Droid line from a Good Smile Company. If this seriously pops off, which I'm not going to attempt to do, it seems like you could change their faceplates. And the quality on the face is good. The paint job and all. I was thinking maybe, no, her hands don't rotate. But for a figure that's about $30 or a little over 30, depending on where you buy it, it's pretty good. Her horns are a little sharp. Well, details on her shoes are pretty good too. Well, I guess that'll be it for this review. If I was to rate this line so far, I would give power here 9 out of 10. It isn't a perfect line, but for saving space, I would definitely recommend buying these because they'll look pretty good on your shelf.